What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is D Scott, and today I'm giving a beginner's guide to building a men's wardrobe. Now, a lot of guys don't realize this, but you can have some staple pieces that can withstand the test of time. And so my goal is today is to try and make sure that we can do that for you. Now, I know a lot of you guys are just starting out to build your wardrobe, and I want to make sure that you do it right. Now, I say that because I see a lot of guys buying these trendy clothes, and don't get me wrong, a lot of it is fire. But what happens when the trend goes away? See, 7 to 8 months later, the trend changes and you're left stuck out not being able to wear a lot of your clothes. Now you're what? Stuck in a buying trap because you bought clothes and you have to throw them away. You buy clothes and you give them away because they're trends and they don't last, and you wouldn't be caught dead in them now, but you keep buying new clothes because you gotta wear clothes. I'm here to help that today. Now, how do I know this? Because that was me at one point. So today I'm going to give you a few tips on building a basic men's wardrobe that you can build upon, a strong foundation. So these are going to be pieces that never go out of style. So now when you look back at those old photos, you won't have to say, what was I wearing? That won't be you. That's all coming up. What it do, baby? I'm D Scott, and today we're talking about the basics of building a man's wardrobe. And I'm not talking about the trends, you know, the ones that go out of style before you can even wear the clothes. I'm talking about a classic men's wardrobe that can withstand the test of time. But before I get into that, I want to make sure you understand the difference between trends and staple pieces, or stuff that's timeless. So trends, they normally last between like 6 and 7 months, and those hinge on the back of the fashion weeks. So Paris, Milan, London, New York, they pretty much push the trend. But style, staple pieces, see, those are in no matter what, you know, whether it's 1948 or 2020, it doesn't matter. You know, you're safe. And as long as you take care of your clothes, they'll actually last you a pretty good amount of time. So the first one I want to talk about is blank t-shirts. Yeah, plain t-shirts, okay? You can't have enough of those. You're gonna want white, black, the heather gray. You know, all of those are gonna play important parts just in a regular basic wardrobe all the way to the complex. Because in the basic, you know, you can throw on a quick tee, white, black, put on some jeans, and you're out the door and it looks nice, it's clean. Again, it's been around a long time. Or, you know, if you have on a nice button-down shirt, you can definitely throw on one under there to kind of soak up your sweat throughout the day, that kind of stuff. So they come in handy. So like I said, they're great by themselves, they're great layered. You can wear it with jeans or a leather jacket, doesn't matter, it's gonna work. Since I mentioned jeans, I might as well go ahead and do that one next. Next is, you know, denim. Black jeans, dark denim, you need both. So pick one. I mean, if you have to pick one, maybe do the black because you can rock that with a lot of stuff. But to be honest, I prefer the dark denim because you can also wear that with anything as well. If you can do both, please do both. Lastly here, you want to make sure that they're tailored or they fit very well. You know, you don't want the baggy look or anything like that, because again, we're going for timeless fashion. And when you look back through history, that tailored cut, that just straight down slim cut, that's always been there. You know, the flared cuts and all that stuff, those travel through time. Like right now, I think the bell bottoms are back in. I don't know, I won't be participating, but that's a trend, right? But my cut, my style, when I go to the tailor, you know, keep it with my leg, we're all good. I know it's gonna be in no matter what. And while I'm on denim, I might as well go next to the denim jacket. Now, again, you can get these in the black denim or the dark denim. I love the way just a blue jean jacket looks, the blue jean denim jacket. That's a versatile piece. You can pretty much put it with anything and it will go well. You know, anything from summer nights to winter days, spring, fall. To me, you can wear this thing at any point in time, inside, out. It always looks good. Again, we're going for stuff that can last and withstand the test of time, and the denim jacket is definitely a piece you have to have. Oh guys, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and do that down below before you forget. On this channel, I talk about men's fashion and style tips, along with personal finance, confidence, and along with having a gentleman's mindset. So if any of that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that bell so that you don't miss any of the videos as well. All right, next up, we have the crew neck sweaters or the crew neck long sleeves. Now, again, these are some of my favorites as well. I love the crew neck long sleeve because it's thin enough, and you know, most of the time it's cotton, but it's thin enough that I can wear it pretty much any time of the year. And I live here in Texas, so you know it gets hot. And you know, if I'm outside too long, then I can roll up this or slide up the sleeves to about 3/4 quarter. Or if I'm inside, it'll keep me warm enough so that I don't have to put on a jacket. But again, it's thin. I love that look. And I would love to have a boatload and a boatload of colors. Now, the crew neck sweater, those are normally thicker and normally made for like the winter time or the fall. They're normally wool, but if you get a good deal, you can find a great price on cashmere as well. I have some of those in the closet, and those are nice and they feel great. Now, the sweater is more dressier, definitely more dressier than a t-shirt. But you can wear those under a blazer as well if you'd like, and they still will look great. Now, the sweater out of the two is definitely more dressier than like a t-shirt, but it really looks good when you connect like a sweater with some nice jeans and some Chelsea boots, or you can throw that sweater on under a blazer. Again, it looks really good. All right, next up is the dress shirt. Pretty much the button down, what I have on right now. It's really nice to have at least one. Now, you can have them in multiple colors, but if you're just starting out or you have, you know, a lower budget, you have to have a white button down shirt. I've mentioned this in videos before. It's a necessity. Now, with the button down, the long sleeve button down shirt, you can actually wear it different ways with the sleeves, and that can change the whole mood of the outfit. You know, if you wear them like me right now, you know, that's a little more dressier. All I have to do is unbutton the cuff, and now I've turned casual. I can roll up the sleeves, you know, depending on how hot it is or how I want to look that day. It's a real versatile shirt, but again, they look really nice, and you definitely need a white. So if you're gonna pick between blue or gray, whatever, I would definitely start off with a white one if you don't have one in your closet. So like I said, you can dress this up, you can dress it down, you can have it on with a blazer and a tie, or just a blazer, leave it open at the top. It looks great, crisp. Make sure you iron it. You gotta iron it though. You can't just be out here wrinkled and stuff. Come on now. All right, next up we have shoes. Listen, I could talk about shoes all day. I absolutely love them. At one point in time, I think I was low-key obsessed with shoes. Didn't matter what kind, but I have went to rehab for that, and now I'm better. I don't mess with that kind of stuff like that anymore. I do still have a low-key obsession with it though. But shoes. So to keep it real simple, you know, if you want to reset your wardrobe, or you just want to make sure that you have stuff that can last throughout time, you want to have a basic black and a basic white pair. Now, if you're asking an old school person, they'll tell you go and get you some Jack Purcells, which is Converse. They're made by Converse, but that was like the classic white sneaker. But now you can definitely upgrade. You can go with the Jack Purcells. Those are normally like 60 bucks or something like that. Or now you can actually go with, you know, a nice classic Adidas Advantage VS, or my personal favorite, I don't know, a lot of people don't like them, but I love the classic Nike Air Force One. The white and the black will get you through almost any outfit in life, but you know, some people don't like the thick soles. I like them. You can try them out. All right, so we talked about the sneaker, but on the other side, for the dressier side, you need a dress shoe. So I would go with a simple cap toe, which, you know, it's just a plain dress shoe in black that can get you through a whole lot of stuff. Weddings, interviews, you can't go wrong really with that. So I would stick with a nice simple black cap toe shoe. Now, I said it with the sneakers, I'm gonna say it here, you know, if you have enough money, you wanna actually have a brown pair as well, a nice black and a nice brown pair, so that you can make sure that you're good in either situation and you're matching, you know, based off what you have on. Now, with matching, since I said that, I wanna let you know your belt needs to match your shoes when it comes to dress shoes. So if you already have a black belt and you don't have any dress shoes, just go ahead and get the black shoes. But if you have a brown belt, go ahead and get the brown shoes if you don't have enough money to get both, because that's extremely important that your belt is actually matching your shoes. And if you have the brown, take the belt with you so that you can match that up as close as possible. They're made by two different people, so more than likely it's not going to be an exact match, but you want to be as close as possible as you can. Little style tip there for you. You're welcome. Now, the last one that I want to talk to you about today is a tailored suit. You definitely need at least one. Now, if you're gonna only have one suit, I would suggest going with a navy blue suit. That way you cover your bases around everywhere. You don't want to be going everywhere in an all black suit. It's not really proper, but navy can get you in and out of every situation. Again, from interview to the boardroom to the wedding, you're good with a navy blazer or a navy suit. Now, I use tailored on purpose. Not too often are you gonna have someone who's able to fit a suit perfectly right off the rack. And you wanna take that to a tailor to make sure that that fits you right, that it's not, you know, an ill-fitting suit, because that's even worse than, you know, I don't know. That's just, you wanna make sure that it fits right. Now again, if you can get a good deal and you have enough money, go ahead and get, you know, the black and the gray suit as well. Now you have a black, a navy blue, and a gray, and now you can wear them in different situations. And again, those are your classic, your base suits. So you don't want to go out and get some crazy colors and stuff that you can only wear like one time. This way you can actually wear them and it looks great. All right guys, you made it. So those are a few of the pieces that I believe will get your wardrobe started. Those are the basics, the foundation that can lead your wardrobe to some different levels. And I'll have more videos that you can stack with this one right here that will help your wardrobe, again, kind of branch out, and then you'll be able to have more pieces that you can work with. That way you can have the ultimate closet, and with the ultimate closet comes ultimate confidence, because if you look good, you feel good, you play good, and if you play good, they pay good. Thank you, Dion. Now, if this video brought you any type of value, go ahead and give your boy a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, video requests, or feedback, go ahead and drop those down in the comments below. I'll be looking. And listen, man, I appreciate your time and entrusting me with some help. I'll see you on the other side, man. Deuces.